All 4x4 Service Centre are your go-to home of four-wheel drive servicing and specialist repairs. Our skilled team is available to provide reliable advice and solutions to keep your 4x4 on the move. All 4x4 Service Centre are an industry leader, providing a large range of options for servicing and repairs. Our extensive service centre is equipped with the latest diagnostic equipment and specialty tooling to ensure our factory-trained technicians have the equipment and talent to efficiently get the job done right. With on-site access to our massive spare parts warehouse, we can provide the parts you need fast and economically, compared to costly dealership alternatives. Whether it's a minor or major service, all 4x4 Service Centre has got you covered. We also specialise in clutch, gearbox and differential overhauls. All 4x4 is Newcastle and the Hunter Valley's home of GVM suspension upgrades. We supply, install and engineer a range of GVM suspension solutions to suit your needs. We also offer new vehicle fit-outs, installing canopies, bull bars, winches, snorkels, towing mirrors and much more. While your vehicle is getting looked after, make yourself at home and relax in the comfort of our customer lounge and enjoy free Wi-Fi and refreshments. At All 4x4, we pride ourselves on not only being four-wheel drive specialists, but also four-wheel drive enthusiasts. And we would love to have the privilege of maintaining your four-wheel drive.